Hi, everybody. Welcome back to our Excel. So today we are going to be doing removing columns, naming a table, and displaying lowest to highest on our table. To start, I'm going to remove our ratings column. To do that, I'm going to just press on ratings like so, and I'm going to Control Shift down all at the same time to highlight everything, or you could do it manually, of course. And I'm going to right click on the cell and then I'm going to delete. And here a little pop-up comes up where it says table columns and table rows. You want to make sure you're pressing table columns because a column is those vertical cells. It's a column. And then a row is where it's horizontal. So you always want to make sure you're pressing which one you need to press. In this case, we're pressing a column. And so we're pressing table column. And there we go. It's gone. Let's go. All right. Next, we are going to be naming our table. So I'm just going to press on any cell within the table. And then up on top, there are these tabs. I'm going to press on the table design tab. And then I'm going to go over to the left under table name, excuse me. Above properties, there's table 3. That is the current name. We want to delete it. So I'm going to press on it, hit backspace, and I'm going to rename it sales report. Okay. So again, make sure no spaces, only underscores, and make sure your spelling is correct because the test, you'll get points take it off for both of those things. Okay, now I'm going to press enter and there we go. Finally, I'm going to change our numbers to lowest to highest, specifically gross profit. So I'm just going to press on gross profit, the down arrow, and then I'm going to press smallest to largest because that's what we want, and smallest to largest. And there we go. Woo! We changed it to smallest to largest. Bye.